Good morning everyone. Today our topic is switch case. So this switch case is also called as multi-way decision making statement. In the previous classes we have seen the conditional statements or conditional branching like if else, nested if else if ladder. And this is the next case, that is your switch case. This is an alternative for your else if ladder. Now here we are going to see what is the advantage of your switch case, what are the things which we are going to implement here. Switch case is a multi-way decision making statement in C. It is a branching statement in C. A switch statement provides another way to decide which statement to execute next. The switch statement evaluates an expression, then attempts to match the result to one of the several possible cases. Each case contains a value and a list of statements. So here in the switch case we have n number of cases. Switch, you will write some condition like if you have an expression also, it will evaluate and it will match to the case in that particular body of your switch. And for each case in the switch, set of statements, that may be a single or a multiple statements will be there in that cases, and that will be executed. The switch case statement is used when we have multiple options and we need to perform a different task for each option. The flow of control transfers to statement associated with the first case value that matches. Often a break statement is used as a last statement in each case statement list. So here in the cases you will have from case 1, 2, 3 and so on, you are going to have. If you have n cases also, in each and every case you are going to have a statements, and after the statements you will have a statement called as break. Now what happens if you are not including break here? If you are not including break in the cases, then it will execute all the cases till the end until you encounter break. So each and every case should be terminated with a break statement. What are the keywords that are associated with the switch statements? The keywords used are switch, case, default and break. In the body of the switch, you are going to have so many cases, and at the last the case will be your default case. If this is not a possible cases, if you are not meeting with any one of the case, then obviously it will go with your default case. This is the syntax of your switch, where switch, expression, case, expression value, some statements, break. Same case 2 and so on you will have. And at the end you will have default statement blocks, and you will close the switch, you will have the next statements. And this is the flow chart where switch, conditional statement, case 1 if it is true, statements and break. If this case is false, you will go with the second case. If this is false, third case. If all the cases are failing, then it will go to the default one. It will go with the default statements. Finally, it will go with the statements after the switch. How does switch case gets executed? We will see. If the value of expression is 1, then the code under case 1 will be executed and it breaks from the switch using the break. Similarly, if the value is 2, then it will check for the matching case in order from starting to close of the switch case. If the first case does not match, the control will go to the case 2 and so on. If no matches is found, it executes default statements if available. And one more thing, it is not necessary to write all the cases in the order like case 1, case 2, case 3. I can write any case at any position within the body of the switch. It will match from starting till the end. That means I can write case 1, case 3, case 4, case 2. So it will check for all the cases, and if it is not matching with any one of the case, then it executes the default case statements. And this is one of the best example. So here I am having x is equal to 2, I am defining here. Case 1. Is this x value equal to 2? No, it is 1. So it is not going to execute this one. Next, case 2. Yes, it is correct. Printf choice is 2 and then I'll break. If I am not writing break here, it go with the third case also until it encounters break. If no break is returned in any of the statements, it executes each and every statement from the case it is matching. Second case ankondi, second case statements, third case statements and default statements also it is going to print. Now I have written break here. So the output will be choice is 2. Now if you predict the output, if x is equal to 1, then it will be like this. If suppose it is 6, 1, 2, 3, it is not matching, then what happens? It will go with the default case. It will print like choice other than 1, 2, 3 you have provided. Next, what is it about the case in switch? Each case is followed by the value to be compared to and a colon. How you are writing the case here? Case, space, your value, colon mark. The expression provided in the switch should result in the constant value, otherwise it would be an invalid. Duplicate case values are not allowed. Say for example, if I write case 1 and afterwards case 3 minus 2, what is the, after evaluating the expression 3 minus 2, what is the result? 1. That means case 1 have returned twice, so duplicate cases are not allowed. Case does not allow always need to have an order 1, 2, 3 and so on. That is what I have discussed. We can have any number of cases switches, case statements within the switch. That means there is no limitation for the number of cases. Why we need to use default in the switch? A switch statement can have an optional default case which must appear at the end of the switch. The default case can be used for performing a task when none of the cases are true. Okay, the default case can be used for performing a task when none of the cases is true. The default may be placed in any part inside the switch case. Break statement. Why we are using break statement that we have discussed? That means if break statement is not encountered, then it will be used to terminate a case in a switch. We are going to use a break statement to come out of the switch case after you are meeting with a particular case. What are the optional values in your switch? Default and break. You can have and you cannot have. If you don't write break, then it will execute. If you don't write default, then it will not give you the result for the other cases other than the cases which you have defined. See here what happens if I am not writing the break here. So from 2 onwards, case 2, case 3, case 4, default. All will be executing from the case where it is matching. If you are not writing default, you will not get output. Why? Because it is not meeting any of the cases like 5 is I is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 only we have written. So you will not get any output here. So I is equal to 5. So 5 you are going to write your case 5. So duplicate values are not allowed. Default break are optional. Nesting of switch statements is allowed. That means within the switch we can write another switch also. Case does not allow always need to have an order. That means case 1, 2, 3 you can write, or you can write as case 3, 1, 2 like that also you can write. We can use the statements alternative to if-else ladder. Why? Because it is more faster when compared with the else-if ladder. So this you just try yourself. Write a C program to print month of a year, reading the month number, and color, reading the first letter, blue, yellow, purple, orange, red, violet like that, and you write whether a number is even or odd using switch, and bitwise operators using switch operator. So this is all about your switch case. Thank you.